Hike in the wonderful city of Telluride, Colorado. It's a nice ski resort. Got a dope hike set up for today with some water and a new crew. We got a new crew now.
Don't stress, everything's gonna be okay. I hit the bottle in the mall, drinking rosé. I'm feeling good cause I know I just got paid. There's nothing fake with me from the smile on my face. The good days don't always happen to me always. It's like I'm thrown into this world walking sideways. You see that pretty young thing, I want on my babe. I tell her, baby, I'm the king, have it your way. Oh, girl, love don't come that easy in this world. I can't swim that deep either to find my pearl. So whatever you're having, I just think I wanna do. God bless your soul, cause baby, you're my muse. Oh Lord, Monday, I gotta hustle cause the thought of you just always puts me in the line for the hustle view. Just tryna be my own boss, get my own pay. And when I buy 2 cars, one for you, babe. Tuesday, we get the wine and we rendezvous. On a Wednesday, cooling out by the swimming pool. Netflix and chill on a Thursday night, cause you know we gon' party right through the weekend. I got this feeling that the dog wants to come over.
Everything pretty much is uphill to this point. I mean, look where I'm at, yeah.
Into my whip, we burn rubber. Stay up to try to stop the sun runner. Don't get tired yet, come on. Oh girl, love don't come that easy in this world. I can't swim that deep either to find my pearl. So whatever you're having, I just think I wanna do. God bless your soul, cause baby, you're my muse. Some things just got us crazy. If they don't see you working, then they think that you just lazy. Trapped in the system, trying to make it pass all this haze. Feeling like all the work I do don't make that much, baby. So you just gotta hustle, baby, keep the grind up. Block the living, but you can't rewind it. Do everything in your power and beat the mind trick. You gotta hustle harder, baby, that's the conquest.